Hello friends, this is Sumit and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex, Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex, Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to your sexual life and Dr. Vijay Dahifale will solve your problem in very positive manner. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale in detail.
Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology.
So friends, now that you all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale's various clinics, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai, specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center. Now let's start the show. We have Doctor here with us. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction.
Yeah.
And sir, you are getting lot of questions on your WhatsApp, on your email.
Yeah.
And sir, even we are getting repeated questions on the various videos that we put
Yeah.
on various social media platforms like Facebook or YouTube. And sir, people want to know scientific information
Sure.
about sexual dysfunction, about
Definitely.
erectile dysfunction. So sir, today's topic is very important and today's topic is sexual dysfunction
Yeah.
and foreskin infections.
Yes, correct.
So, sir, my first question to you is, sir, what is balanoposthesis? Please tell us, sir.
Yes, excellent. Sumit, in this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are taking scientific information of sexual dysfunction, premature ejaculation, small size penis and different organs and parts. Today what we are seeing, infections of that foreskin or prepuce and how it affects your sexual function, balanoposthesis. Means the penis which is having its glans penis and on that the prepuce or the skin which is moving and the under surface of this prepuce or on the surface of this glans, there is a redness, there is a itching, there is a swelling and it's a painful condition. So any type of glans infection due to any reason is called as balanoposthesis and how we have to treat it and how to get rid of that, we will see one by one.
Definitely. Sir, now please tell us about frenulum breve. Sir, what is frenulum breve?
Yes, correct. During development what happens, so many times the prepuce which is developing and the frenulum is the part which is connecting to the tip of the glans from below. Due to some reason, the length of that frenulum is short one. Means due to what happens when you are moving it front and back, there occurs bending of a penis. So this is called as a frenular breve and by doing microsurgery or by surgical excision, definitely you can make it normal. So friends, there is no need to worry at all. We can make that breve very nicely by microsurgery in a good length and so that they will not get any type of bend or any type of problem during intercourse.
Definitely. Sir, regarding this particular topic, I have few more questions to
Sure.
ask about. But sir, we have one caller on the show. Can we take that call?
Definitely.
We
Yeah,
have
yeah.
Sachin from Igatpuri.
Yeah.
Sachin, you can take ask your question. Your phone is now connected.
Hello.
Yeah.
What are penile warts and how to treat it?
Excellent,
Okay.
excellent. In concern with this our topic,
Yes, sir.
different infections
Yes,
we are
sir.
seeing, penile warts. It's a viral infection. What happens commonly, this is very common in male and female both. There occur small finger-like growth on the preputial skin, on the glans also, or at the total coronal margin like a flower. So these are called as a viral warts. So what is the treatment for it? You have to make the excision with the lasers or you can use the burning agents, liquids you have to attach to that and by doing this and by taking some medicines, antibiotics, you can make it in control. So such a viral warts are transmissible to partner. So during activity, they are supposed to use the condom and protection to prevent its transmission and if they get it, they have to get rid of activity for some duration, and when they are totally burnt and removed, then they can go for activity without affecting their partner.
Definitely. Sir, coming back to our question and
Sure.
answer. Sir, now please tell us about phimosis. What is phimosis?
Yes, correct. This is a very common thing due to some reason after birth. Even so many patients come to me, even at the time of marriage or after marriage also, they are unable to retire the skin. In fact, they don't know also that that goes back. In such cases, what happens? The smegma, which is secreted, that is deposited below the skin and glands, and there occurs calcification, infection, pus discharge. So, any condition which is unable to open that skin or foreskin is called as phimosis. By doing a partial circumcision, either in male, in adults as well as in pediatric, they can control it, and definitely by cleaning and maintaining its hygiene, they can enjoy their sexual life very nicely.
Definitely. Sir, just now you told us about phimosis.
Yes, correct.
There is one term called paraphimosis.
Correct.
Sir, so what is this paraphimosis?
Definitely. So many times during masturbation, they give a force, due to some reason that partial open that phimosis, a partial open that prepucial opening, they try to bring it back and they forget it on backside and they are unable to bring it ahead. So there occurs edema, there occurs swelling, there occurs formation of a or collection of a fluid inside of that, and it's a very painful condition, and this is called as paraphimosis. By doing puncture with the needle, and later on you have to go for the partial circumcision to prevent its repetition or prevent any problem which is occurring during sexual activity.
Definitely. Sir, we have one more caller on
Sure.
this, so can we take that call?
Definitely.
We have Tina from
Yeah.
Daman. Tina, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
What are clitoral hood adhesion and what is treatment for it?
Okay.
Excellent. It's like a male, the
Yes, sir.
same conditions occur in female, and that we are discussing separately. What happens? Clitoral hood is a remission, or this part you can say the part which is presenting in male, in female it is called as a clitoral hood, and it is covering the clitoris. Due to some reason, due to infection, due to non-proper hygiene, there occurs some type of adhesions or attachment to the clitoris, and due to this what happens? During sexual intercourse, they get severe pain, they get itching. So, only one thing I will tell you, by keeping proper hygiene, and if such adhesions occurs, you can remove it by the surgery, and later on by giving antibiotic and painkiller, they will solve this problem and they will not get any pain during activity.
Definitely, sir. Again, coming back to our
Yeah.
question and answer, sir, what is lichen sclerosis and what is its treatment? Please tell us, sir.
Excellent. This is one of the inflammatory condition, both occurring in women as well as in men also. So, in this condition, especially there occurs infection of that prepuce, and that infection causes itching, burning, irritation. So, in such cases, by using some antibiotics and by using some local creams, you can get rid of this, and definitely it's nicely treatable, and you can prevent any type of dysfunction which is occurring due to such a lichen sclerosis. Yeah.
Definitely. Sir, one last question.
Yeah.
Sir, what is apostia and what is micropostia? Please tell us about
Correct. Congenitally, there is a no development of a prepuce. This is called as apostia.
that. Okay.
And macropostia, megameatus intact prepuce. What happens? Due to some reason, the prepuce is so longer, that it's dangling or hanging beyond the glands, and it is causing wetting after urination or itching over there, any type of fungal infection. So, in such cases, by doing partial circumcision, definitely they can get rid of this. Definitely, I will tell you friends, any type of infection which is occurring to the prepuce of foreskin definitely affects the sexual dysfunction. So, in proper time, meet sexologist, urologist, andrologist, get it treated and enjoy your sexual life.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for sharing all this valuable information. But sir, due to time constraint, we have to stop
Yeah.
here in this particular episode. But definitely, we'll meet in one more
Sure.
episode with new topic and
Yeah.
new information. But friends, you can also take Dr. Vijay Daifale's consultation. There are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai, and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Well friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.